వెల్కమ్ టు యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ షో డాన్స్ ఫర్ సోల్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ గౌతమి. ముందుగా అందరికీ విజయదశమి శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇంతటి స్పెషల్ అకేషన్ని మరింత స్పెషల్గా చేసేందుకు వచ్చేశారు మన స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ శ్రీమతి ఇందిరా శ్రీరామ్ రెడ్డి గారు. హైదరాబాద్లో పుట్టి 9 yearsకే భరతనాట్యం అరంగేట్రం చేసి కూచిపూడిలో ప్రావీణ్యం పొంది ఇండియాలోనే కాకుండా మరిన్ని దేశాల్లో కెనడా, జర్మనీ, యూరోపియన్ దేశాల్లో ఆమె ప్రదర్శన ఇచ్చారు. న్యూజెర్సీలో స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కూచిపూడి డాన్స్ అనే స్కూల్ విత్ మోర్ దాన్ 100 స్టూడెంట్స్. నాట్య కళా తపస్వి మరియు విమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ అని అవార్డ్స్, రివార్డ్స్ చాలా మరెన్నో. అంతేకాకుండా మన కల్చర్ని, కూచిపూడి డాన్స్ని ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి ఆవిడ చేసిన కృషి అంతా ఇంత కాదు. తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్స్లో యాక్టివ్ రోల్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి మరియు లెజెండరీ డాన్సర్స్ లైక్ మంజు భార్గవి గారు, శోభా నాయుడు గారితో స్టేజ్ షేర్ చేసుకొని షీఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అ బెస్ట్ పర్ఫార్మర్ బట్ అన్ ఆసమ్ టీచర్, moreover a fantastic choreographer. Hearty welcome Indira garu.
Thank you Gautami garu. Andarki mana TV prekshakulandarki namastamanjulu. A very happy Dashera, and I'm so happy to be here this evening, and thank you for inviting me, and I'm assuming and I'm hoping it'll be a wonderful evening for both of us, and it'll be equally entertaining and informative mana prekshakulukani నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. Once again, thank you for inviting me.
We are privileged to have you, Indira garu. ఆ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అన్ని చూసి I was like, oh my god, really so wonderful. అది నా అదృష్టం to be with you this evening.
Thank you. Honored to be here.
సో ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎలాగా, అంటే ఇన్ని ఆర్ట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఉండగా డాన్స్ అనే ఆర్ట్ ఫార్మే ఎందుకు?
అంటే నేను బేసికలీ ఐమ్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అండి. సో ఆ కాలంలో ఐ ఇనిషియలీ లెర్న్డ్ భరతనాట్యం. మీరు అన్నట్టు ఐ హ్యాడ్ మై అరంగేట్రం ఎట్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ 9. ఆ కాలంలో అంటే అంత కూచిపూడి అంత ప్రెవలెంట్ wasn't there. It wasn't that the teachers were so much not there. So but overall I was very happy to have done the arangetram in Kuchipudi Bharatanatyam. But later my guru garu Dr. Vempati Chinnastham garu had స్థాపించారు వారి స్కూల్ branch in Hyderabad. So that's when I joined, and I really took off from there. I had no look back, but I had a very good 15-year good tutorship, and under his guidance నేర్చుకున్నాను విద్యని. So but how did it start? Ante probably my parents, when I was very young, they enrolled just like any other kids out there, and we went to the school, and it just took off from there. Apparently, I think my mom used to say that I had the real passion even when I was really young, like 5 or 4, things of that nature. So, and I never felt like, oh, I'm learning something. It was a part of me when I was growing up. So I was very happy to be in a dance school, to be learning, to be performing, things of that nature. So I think it just started off like that. Yeah.
వెంకట చిన్న సత్యం గారు లాంటి లెజెండరీ గురు యాక్చువల్ గా. సో హౌ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్? అంటే ఒక ప్రైడ్ ఉంటది కదా.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Just to be under his tutelage itself is a grace, you're blessed అనుకోవాలి to come across him, but to be associated with him for this many years. Vari productions lo, when I used to take part and traveling with him, we did international tours, like for instance Festival of India in Russia ani appudu 80s లో ఉండిందండి. We traveled Stuttgart and Leningrad and all those cities, and then there was also Festival of India in Germany. So and then we toured for about 7-8 cities out there. So it was a very interesting, and definitely a blessing to be there under his tutelage and in his Kuchipudi Art Academy in Chennai. I don't know what else to say, but honestly, ante ippudu nenu when I look back, I think I appreciate when I got into the teaching and when I established a school, of what I learned and how His grace has given me, this the Shakti antar kada, to go forward and run the school. I think I really had His blessings. So I'm very fortunate and anukuntanu.
Wonderful, wonderful. మీరు ఒక టీచర్. ఐ నో యు ఆర్ లైక్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ టీచర్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరి లైఫ్ లో వెన్ దే వాంట్ టు గో టువర్డ్స్ ఆర్ట్ ఫార్మ్స్, మెయిన్లీ డాన్స్, గురువు అనే రోల్ యాజ్ ఎ డాన్స్ టీచర్, వాట్ ఆల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ ఇట్ గివ్స్? అంటే గురువు అనే రోల్ ఎలా మనల్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తుంది?
Oh, definitely, Gandhi. Ante ippudu teaching itself is a wonderful thing. I mean, you're trying to share your knowledge with the little ones. And of course, I have adult dance students also who have learned in India for 20 years and who coming back here and trying to get some advanced training. Andaru unnaru, all age levels. I have from 5 years to 55, I should say. But how do I feel being a guru? It's challenging at times because ఈ కంట్రీలో చిన్న పిల్లల్ని అంటే టు మోటివేట్ దెమ్ అండ్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ సాధన చేయాలి అని ఒక ingredients we need that. This is a classical dance form. So it is a bit challenging at times, but it's also very interesting because you're meeting people of different personalities, right? Different మనస్తత్వం భావాలు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు. సో వాళ్ళని అర్థం చేసుకొని మనం కూడా కొంచెం we have to mend ourselves and try to bring them closer towards a dance and not just wean away because they're not getting it. So it's challenging at times, but interesting at the same time.
So nice. Dance అనేది it will turn your life. So we wanted to know how it turned your life. How your personality has changed to in a better way.
Right. Yeah, that's what I tell my senior dance students. And appudu adugutaru, auntie, what is next or what do you have to do? So I said, you don't have to do anything. I mean, see, the dance, there's so much to life, right? There's a technical depth, for instance, for a student. And above that, there is a layer. Adi bypass avute gaani you won't be successful in life అని అంటారు. So our layer, manamu, you call it personality or you call it open-mindedness or you call it devotion. So in essence, it's called attitude, right? So in ఈ టెక్నికల్ డెప్త్ అందరూ చేస్తారండి. లైక్ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద కొలంబియా యూనివర్సిటీ or Harvard University to fill up the student with the depth of technicalities, but over and above what I'm speaking is another layer. So I think that layer is what fine arts like dance brings into a personality. So that education is very important for like a devotion. Adunte gani a guru bhakti, the devotion, only then the grace will flow from the guru, or you then the sky is the limit if you have these ingredients. So in essence, I think I developed a little bit of this extra understanding only because I was traveling with my guru. I saw so much at a relatively young age. I traveled to a lot of cities in India itself, Delhi, you name it, or Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, a lot of cities we traveled and toured. And likewise in US, we toured like 50 cities along with my guru. So that it kind of, you're watching constantly, you're imbibing, you're experiencing. So it's a nice overall development. So what I would want to tell, the same thing to the kids is that kind of brings that personality in them. So yeah, I think it's definitely beneficial. And what is it that's useful for a student? And we have to first tell, I'm sure most of them know where from the dance is coming, but to those that are really not aware, I would like to go back a little bit and has to explain to them about where from the dance is coming, or how important the scriptures, the Natya Shastra that's coming, and that what we are following is how important it is అన్నది ఒక్కసారి if you will let me explain.
Yeah,
So
sure.
basically కొంతమంది మనందరికి కొంచెం తెలిసిన విషయమే ఇది, but Lord Brahma had created the Panchama Veda, right? Taking
Yeah.
ingredients from the 4 Vedas, right? So the Natya Veda that he created was an amalgamation of things from, let's say, he took Patyam from Rig Veda, and he happened to take the Sama Veda and mana music or Gita, and then from the Atharvana Veda he took the Abhinaya, and then from the Yajurveda he took the Rasa, the emotion. So taking all those ingredients, when you make the Natya Shastra or the Panchama Veda, and when he's telling that to the Bharata Muni, who inscribed or who authored the book called Bharata Natya Shastra, call it a book of dance or encyclopedia of dance or so on and so forth. So our scriptures, which was scripted like thousands of years ago, let's say in the BC's kalam appadhi, దాన్ని మనం అంతా ఫాలో అయ్యి అభ్యసించి డిసిప్లిన్ గా చేస్తున్నాం అంటేనే ఐ థింక్ దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ imbibing of the values, and entertain learning, and it enhances a lot of things, like, let's say, spiritual upliftment. Or dance itself is, the purpose of dance itself is that kadandi, is not only to entertain but to educate people, to give a spiritual understanding, the upliftment. So ivanni కూడి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను it will bring about a round of development for any person that is pursuing the arts. So likewise, I've had my share of maybe with the grace of God and maybe with my guru's blessings, I've had a little bit more, which I'm very happy and thankful.
Yeah, it's a great thought actually. మన కల్చర్, మన డాన్స్ ఫామ్స్ ని ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్ళాలనే థాట్ అందరూ అలా ఆలోచిస్తే ఇట్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ అ బెటర్ వర్డ్. బట్ స్టిల్ మీకు ఆ థాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ ఫార్వర్డ్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇండియాలో మెయిన్లీ ఒక గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్స్ వైపు వెళ్తాను అని అంటే there are many people who discourage.
Very true, Eddie, very true. Ante even when I was growing up, aarthu paarthu ayipoyindi. Ante when I was going, my summers were in Chennai, and then I used to be back in school, and again December holidays, and then back to college. So that happened, very fortunately it happened while I was growing up. But then there was a point where I had to decide, everybody comes across, right? And I have an MBA from Chennai University, so there was all the more like, which one, what do I choose? So obviously I was no exception. There was not much appudu andi 20-30 years back. As you said, antaga, there was no concept of a dance school or a dance teacher unless you're really from the guru's family. But and sure enough, I kind of got diverted a little bit. When I came, I was working and computers and all that good stuff. But somewhere it just happened that somebody got to know that I was a student of Dr. Vempati Chinnasitham Garu. So they said, no, you have to, start a school and teach and things like that. So it kind of rolled from there for me. So that way I've been fortunate that ఆదరణ దొరికిందని అనుకోవాలి, భావించాలి. I've been lucky enough to get that patronage from the parents, and it just rolled one after the other into the school and establishing and teaching. So yeah, you're right. In that sense, it's very hard. Sometimes, what do? I mean, you do this or that because your heart is there, your passion is there for the dance, but sometimes due to
yeah.
But fortunately, my mom was very much both my parents were very much interested in arts. Ala emi ante restrictions ala ledu. But again, when you look at the general world, you want some you want the bread and butter on the table too, right? So that's how you kind of choose sometimes.
Yeah,
Make other choices. Yeah,
that's so nice. మీరు జస్ట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా స్టేజ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ ఇవ్వడమే కాకుండా యూ టుక్ వన్ స్టెప్ అహెడ్ లైక్ టు బికమ్ అ టీచర్. How did that thought come to you?
So, dance has always been a passion for me, and sharing it with other, as I said, somebody just heard that. Until this was a long time ago, even 25 years ago, when I just. So they thought I was a student of Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Garu. Our kalamlo kuchipudi dances in New York and New Jersey was very rare, but now we have a whole lot of them, which I'm very happy, which I'm rejoicing the fact I have, So, but yeah, so they said, no, you have to, kind of teach and things like that. So I said, I readily agreed. In fact, I was very honored to be, and then they made me do some, ballets and presentations, and it just rolled like that. Ala ochindi. Kabote struggle undandi. Ante not everybody is, readily accepting, because Kuchipudi as such has a little bit of, I wouldn't say gap from Bharatanatyam, but people are so much more prevalent and knowledgeable about Bharatanatyam. It has an edge, like a lot of the Gujaratis or even Telugu వాళ్ళు కూడా అంటే అంతగా ప్రాధాన్యత కూచిపూడి depth or its flavors, they were not aware of it 20 years ago. So it was a challenge, but at the same time I got a lot of support from the parents and or a lot of patronage towards Kuchipudi, the interest in Kuchipudi. So it kind of kept me going. So yeah, as I said, blessings.
Wow. డాన్స్ లోని హ్యాండ్ అండ్ ఐ కోఆర్డినేషన్ లేదంటే ముద్రాస్ కానీ దే ప్లే అ వైటల్ రోల్. సో కొంచెం దాన్ని ఎలాబరేట్ చేసి కొంచెం మా ఆడియన్స్ కోసం నాలాంటి డాన్సర్స్ కోసం చెప్తారా ఇంద్ర గారు?
షూర్ అండి, షూర్. అంటే బేసికల్ గా మనకి నాట్యశాస్త్రాలు భరతమణి గారు ఆల్రెడీ మనకి చెప్పారు the qualities of a dancer, right? So for instance, there's a lot of things that the student abhyasichechappudu she develops, right? For instance, you develop the dharana or the concentration, the memory, the motor skills are improved in a student, right? And then there's agility, there is lightness in the body, and obviously there's some posture that's developing into the body, right, when you're practicing dance. And alage manaki laya annadi taalam annadi, it automatically gets into the rhythm, so-called rhythm gets into the body. So it has a lot of benefits. So manaki already, and most importantly, the discipline. The student ki manaki discipline ostundi. Idi, if anybody is following or practicing these art forms. So it has a lot of benefits as such. And mudras, yes, definitely అండి మనకి అంటే ప్రత్యేకత ఉంది మనకి డాన్స్ లో కూడా ఇప్పుడు there are 4 different kinds of abhinayas, right? So one of them is angika abhinaya, so which means you're utilizing the whole body for the communication, not just the legs, the hands, the limbs, but in coordination with the mudras. So these, whether you call Samhita Hastas or Asamhita, the single hand gestures or the double hand gestures or the Nritya Hastas, each one has a little bit of connotation and a meaning if you go a little bit behind. But with the help of all this, you're able to communicate, right? What you call as abhinaya. So overall development for a kid, it does wonders, I should say. And it's all a geometry, the body, the whole dancing itself is more of a geometry. Like when you're aligning your hands over your head or to the side, it has to be aligned with the shoulder, right? You can't just keep it there or down. So it's so much of a training. So that's what the training is all about. So it's interesting to,
Yeah.
అంటే సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది స్టూడెంట్స్ లో అని నా భావన.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఇందిరా గారు. చాలా తెలుసుకున్నాం, చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. వి డోంట్ వాంట్ టు స్టాప్ దిస్ హియర్. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఇంకా తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంది. మీకు కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంది కదా ఆడియన్స్. సో లెట్స్ క్యాచ్ హర్ అగైన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్. అండ్ మీన్ వైల్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక అద్భుతమైన డాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూసేద్దాం ఇందిరా గారిది. Let's see. First before anything. Thank you guys. Please catch us live on Yup TV. Please do subscribe our channel Mana TV in YouTube, and please love us in our Facebook page. Thank you. Vijayadashami Subhakankshalu.